Good morning, class 10. In our last class, we have solved till question number 9. So today we'll start from question number 10. Find how many terms of GP, this is GP, must be added to get the sum equal to 55 by 72. So here first term, second term, third term are given. So how many terms you have to add so that sum will be 55 by 72. So value of a first term is 2 by 9. Common ratio is second term divided by first term minus 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 9. Convert this division into multiplication, minus 1 by 3 into 9 by 2. Now cancel, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So minus 3 by 2, and minus 3 by 2 is less than 1. So we will take, suppose there are n terms. Let there are n terms. So Sn is equal to 55 by 72. So when the value of r is less than 1, we have to use this formula to find sum is equal to 55 by 72. Value of a is 2 by 9. Value of r is minus 3 by 2 to the power n divided by 1 minus r is minus 3 by 2 is equal to 55 by 72. Now we will write numerator as it is. We will solve only denominator. Minus into minus plus 1 plus 3 by 2. Then we have to take LCM. We'll add 1. 1 and 2. LCM is 2. 1 2s are 2. 2 1s are 2. So in denominator we'll get 2 plus 3 by 2. That is 5 by 2. Now we will do cross multiplication. So this is equal to 55 by 72 into 5 by 2. Now 55 into 5 is 275. 72 into 2 is 144. Now this 2 by 9 is in multiplication. We will take it to the right hand side. Here will be division. Convert this division into multiplication. Write reciprocal. Then here you will get 1 minus minus 3 by 2 to the power n is equal to 275 by 144 into 9 by 2. We cannot cancel, so we will multiply the numbers. 275 into 9 is 2475. 144 into 2 is 288. Now we will take this one to the right hand side. Minus 3 by 2 to the power n is equals to 2475 by 288 minus 1. Again here we have to take LCM. For that we'll add 1 in the denominator. So LCM of 288 and 1 is 288. 288 1s are 288. 1 288s are 288. Then we will get this line. After that we'll write this minus on the right hand side. We will cancel this number. We'll get 243 by 32. Now see, we need the value of n, and n is in power. So we have to make base same. So right hand side you have to express minus 3 by 2 to the power something. So 243, if you find factors, you'll get 3 to the power 5. Similarly, if you find the factors of 32, you'll get 2 to the power 5. So this minus, we can write minus 3 by 2 to the power 5. We got same base, powers are equal. So n is equal to 5. So 5 terms must be added. Question number 11. If the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 2 square plus dot dot plus 2 to the power n minus 1 is 255. Find the value of n. So here some GP is given. This is your nth term. See, power is n minus 1. So this is nth term. So there are n terms. When you add those n terms, answer is 255. Find the value of n. Here a is 1, r is 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. Value of r is greater than 1. So sum is given 255. So when the value of r is greater than 1, you have to use this formula. After that, put value of a and r. Then we'll get 2 to the power n minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1 is equal to 255. So 2 to the power n minus 1 is equal to 255. Write this minus 1 on the right hand side. It will become plus 1. 255 plus 1 is 256. Again n is in power. So this 256 must be expressed as 2 to the power something. So find the factors of 256, sorry. You'll find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll get 2 to the power 8. So n is equal to 8. Value of n is 8. Now question number 13. The sum of three numbers in GP is 39 by 10 and their product is 1. Find the numbers. So in GP, three numbers you have to consider: first, second, third. When you add those three terms, you'll get 39 by 10, and when you multiply them, you'll get 1. So we will consider GP: first term A, second term AR, third term AR square. Sum is given 39 by 10. So when you add A plus AR square, you'll get 39 by 10. From here, you take out A common. 1 plus R square is equals to 39 by 10. This is equation 1. Next is given product. Product is 1. Product means multiplication. First term into second term into third term is equal to 1. A into A cube, R into R square, R cube is equal to 1. So AR whole cube is equal to 1 cube. We can write 1 as 1 cube. Same power, so base will be equal. AR is equal to 1. So A is equal to 1 by R we can write. So this value of A we will put in equation 1. So putting A is equal to 1 by R in equation 1. In place of A we will write 1 by R. Then we will multiply 1 by R into 1 is 1 by R. Then 1 by R into R is R by R. And 1 by R into R square is R square by R. So 1 plus R square divided by R, or we can do like this also, is equal to 39 by 10. So next we will do cross multiplication. Okay, 1 plus R square into 10. So 10 into 1 10, 10 into R 10R, 10 into R square 10R square is equal to 39 into R 39R. We will keep everything on the left hand side and we'll keep right hand side 0. So you'll get 10 plus 10R plus 10R square minus 39R is equal to 0. 10 plus 10R minus 39R is minus 29R plus 10R square is equal to 0. So we'll write R square first, then R second, and constant last. So this is quadratic equation and it is solved by splitting the middle term. For that we have to multiply first term and last term. 10R square into 10 is 100R square. Factors of 100R square which give 29 on addition. 25 4s are 100 and 25 plus 4 is 29. So open bracket. After that you take out common. Common of 10 and 25 is 5. Common of R square and R is R. So 5R is common. 2R minus 5 will be inside bracket. Minus from here 2 is common. 2R minus 5 is equal to 0. So 2R minus 5 and 5R minus 2 is equal to 0. So either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. On solving, you will get R is equal to 5 by 2 from here. And from here, you will get R is equals to 2 by 5. Now, we have to find value of A. First, we will consider R is 5 by 2. Then we will find the value of A. So you will get the value of A 2 by 5. Now when you consider R is equals to 2 by 5, you will get the value of A 5 by 2. Now we got two values of R as well as A. So we will get two sets of GP. So GP first we will consider A is 2 by 5 and R is 5 by 2. We will get this one GP. Now when you consider A is 5 by 2 and R is 2 by 5, you will get this one as answer. Next question number 16. The first two terms of a GP are 125 and 25 respectively. Find the fifth and the sixth terms of the GP. So here first term and second term given. First term is 125, second term is 25. Value of A is 125 and R is, to find common ratio, second term divided by first term. So 25 by 125 is 1 by 5. We have to find fifth term and sixth term. So fifth term is T5 is AR to the power 4. A is 125, R is 1 by 5 to the power 4. So 125 into 1 by 5 to the power 4 is 625. When you cancel, you will get 1 by 5. So fifth term is 1 by 5. Now sixth term, T6 is equal to AR to the power 5. A is 125, R is 1 by 5 to the power 5. So 125 into 1 by 5 to the power 5 is 3125. So cancel, you will get 25. 1 by 25 is your sixth term. Next is question number 19. Find a GP for which the sum of first two terms is minus 4 and the fifth term is 4 times the third term. So here you have to find GP, at least till third term you have to find. And first condition, it is given sum of first two terms, S2 is given minus 4, and the fifth term T5 is 4 times the third term, means T5 is equal to 4 into T3. That is your second condition. So by using those two conditions, we'll find the value of A and R. After getting A and R, we can easily find GP. So let the first term be A, common ratio be R. So S2 is given minus 4. So formula is A, R to the power n is 2, minus 1 divided by R minus 1 is equal to minus 4. This is first condition. Now next it is given fifth term is 4 times the third term. Fifth term is AR to the power 4 is equal to third term is AR square. Now we'll write AR square on the right hand side. Here it is multiplication, so here it will be division. A and A cancel. R to the power 4 by R square is R square is equal to 4. So R is equal to root 4. R is equal to plus minus 2. So here we'll get two values of R. One is plus 2, another is minus 2. First we will consider R is 2. Then we'll find the value of A. Now when R is equal to 2, you just put R is equal to 2. So A into 2 square minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 4. From equation 1, we are using equation 1. So A 2 square is 4. 4 minus 1 by 1 is equal to minus 4. Now next you will get A into 3 is equal to minus 4. A is equal to minus 4 divided by 3. Now we will consider R is equal to minus 2. So A into minus 2 square minus 1 divided by minus 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 4. So A minus 2 square is 4. 4 minus 1 divided by minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 is equal to minus 4. So 4 minus 1 is 3. We can cancel 3 and 3. So A minus A is equal to minus 4, minus minus cancel, A is equal to 4. Now we have to find GP. First we will consider A is equal to minus 4 by 3 and R is 2. So GP will be AR square. Just put the value minus 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3 into R is 2 minus 4 by 3 into 2 square. 2 square is 4. 4 4 ja 16. 4 2 ja 8 divided by 3. Then next we will consider A is 4 and R is minus 2. So GP will be AR square. A is 4, R is minus 2. So 4 comma 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. Minus 2 square is 4. 4 4 ja 16.